Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for another shop with me, and as you can see from the title, today I am going through Ikea, and this video is going to be a little bit more fast paced, and I am just going to be showing you what I'm actually shopping for today rather than a store tour kind of video. So as you can see, we are just walking straight through all of the furniture, and I had to stop and have a look in this room setup because I absolutely loved it. I loved the cream sofa, and I'm always drawn to these faux plants. I just think they look so pretty. How gorgeous is this coffee table? I love that it pulls out. You can have books underneath or you can just decorate it. It was £179, which I thought was a really good price for the size of it. Moving through now into the other side of the room, and I really wish that we had a dining room. I would love to have a dining room table and be able to just decorate it throughout the seasons, and everything in this china cabinet was absolutely gorgeous. I really loved the faux plants at the top, and it always just draws me in. These rooms are just so pretty. Moving on now, and I fell in love with this kitchen island, and that is something else I really wish that we could have. Just a kitchen big enough to have a kitchen island would be an absolute dream, and this one was so gorgeous. So Ikea was so busy on this day. I'm trying not to get anyone else in the video, which is why I'm sort of zooming in and out and just all over the place at the moment. But I love just going around these room setups and just seeing how they decorate. Even though we're not actually looking for furniture today, I just thought they were so pretty, and it does give me a lot of ideas on how to decorate the furniture that we've got. And yeah, I just love seeing all of the different styles. So as soon as I turned the corner and saw this kitchen, I made a beeline for it. I thought it was so beautiful. This is definitely my dream kitchen. Everything about it is just gorgeous. I absolutely love all of the cabinets. I love the flowers and the decor that they've got out. I love the hardware. I literally love all of it. So I had to show you guys in detail everything that they've got going on here because it was just so pretty. So we're now walking through like the dining room section, so I'm just giving you a quick overview as I walk through. Again, we're not looking for furniture, so I didn't want to stop and look at literally everything because we would have been here all day. But walking through there, we've now got to the bed section, and I just again love looking at all of the room setups, and it just gives us a little bit of inspiration in what we can do with our room, and I just find it really fun to look through all of the rooms in Ikea. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of all the beds and the rooms that they've got going on, and hopefully you'll get some inspiration as well. So I don't really know what this section was all about. There was a few faux plants, a few blankets, some glasses and some candles. It was just a really strange mix of stuff. So I thought I'll just show you a quick overview before moving on. And candles and faux plants is definitely something I'll be picking up today, but just not from this section. I'm going to wait and see what else they've got. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview before we move on. So I've got a recent obsession with chopping boards. I just think they look so good layered in the kitchen just for decorative purposes, and I'm definitely going to pick some up from here. And I was really surprised actually. I thought that this little section was all they had, so I was about to move on without finding anything, and every time I turned a corner they had a whole new like different display of them. So they had so many to choose from, all different shapes and sizes, and I just loved this one. I love the colour of it, I love the shape and size of it, and it was so cheap. It was like £2.75 I think that was. So yeah, really good price. And I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the rest of the kitchen bits. Again, I came across even more chopping boards, and this one was huge, but I don't really have the room for that, but if you do, it's so beautiful. And I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the rest of the kitchen things, just all of their pots and pans. Okay, so moving through now into one of my favourite sections, and that is the throw blankets and the cushions, and I just fell in love with these. This cream one was so soft, and it's only £6, so absolute bargain. I did have to quickly look around and see what other colours they had in, and I just love that everything's in order, like all of the colour categories. So if you are looking for something specific, you can just go straight to the colour that you're looking for, which I thought was really helpful. But I did definitely have to pick this cream one up. I think it's going to look so good on the sofa, especially when autumn comes and winter. It's just going to be so cozy. So I am in love with faux plants at the moment. If you have been here before, you know that I've got so much like pops of greenery going on in my house. I just love it. But dragging myself away, I've made it to the light section, and even though we're not buying lights today, I just wanted to show you a quick overview because some of them are so pretty. And like I said, even though we're not buying, it's fun to look around and see what they've got. And I really liked these ones, and I'm actually kicking myself that I didn't pick them up because how good would they look in like a vase for autumn? That would have been so pretty. So I might need to go back and get those, but for now I'll just move on and look at all of the picture frames. They had so many different shapes, sizes and colours, and I really like those small black ones that they've got on the back wall. I think that looks so good. So as soon as I saw this wreath, I knew that I had to get it. I think it's going to look so good in autumn. It's just so pretty, and I know that it's only July and I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself, but I definitely like to plan things out and just make sure that I've got everything I need. So I'm just going to be slowly collecting things now and then putting it aside for autumn. And I knew that wreath probably wouldn't still be there in a couple of months, so I did have to snatch that up. And then looking through all of their vases, I really liked this simple like white creamy one on the end. I thought that would look really good in the entryway, so I picked that up as well and then made my way through into the faux flowers, and everything was just so pretty. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what they've got in here. So moving through now into the candle section, and I'm definitely trying to keep the house nice and neutral. So even though I love all of the pink candles and everything, it just wasn't the look I was going for. But as soon as I saw this brown one with the gold lid, I fell in love and I had to get it. It was dark caramel and sea salt, and yeah, I didn't actually smell it before buying it because I knew the colour was what I wanted, but luckily it smelled really nice as well. But I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the rest of the candles. They've got so many to choose from, so many lovely candlestick holders and everything, and yeah, I was just in candle heaven. So I think I spent way too long looking at all the faux plants, but I think Ikea and 𝚂𝚄𝚂𝚀 have the best greenery and flowers in, so definitely check it out if you are looking to add those pops of greens to your home. I just think it's so pretty, and I could honestly go round looking at plants all day. And the final thing that we needed to pick up was some shelving for our living room, so we're just going to go ahead and grab that now. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comments what caught your eye today and what you think you're going to pick up next time you visit Ikea. Don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you here. Also leave today's video a thumbs up and I'll see you back here in the next one.